Oh, this stupid thing is stuck again. Are you kidding me? No, 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 no!
Ambulance! What happened? Oh my god! Some train hit a car! Oh my god! That's not good. No. Oh my god! What's happening?
911, what's your emergency?
There's a train accident.
All right. Could you please tell me your location?
I don't know.
All right. Could you try to find the nearest intersection and tell me where that is?
Oh, yes. 325 Matchbox Avenue.
Great. The emergency services will be there soon. Are you injured?
Yeah, my leg's bleeding. It's stuck.
Stuck in what?
The dashboard.
All right. Could you please tell me how many casualties you think there are?
More than 7.
All right. As I said, the emergency services will be there soon. Please stay calm and wait there. Could you please elaborate on what happened?
There was a car, and I think he got stuck in the tracks, and the train couldn't stop in time.
All right. I'll relay this information to the emergency services. Thanks. All right. Just wait there. Keep calm.
Mass casualty 3, medic 89 responding, large scale MVA.
Greetings and welcome to the Daily Danger Report. I'm John Walker, and today's most pertinent story is actually currently ongoing. A car was hit by a train when it failed to notice the oncoming train and got stuck on the tracks. This caused a chain reaction accident in which many people were injured. However, there are currently not any confirmed deaths. The firefighters have set up a triage center to determine who needs to go to the hospital and who is stable enough to leave the area. There has been a hazmat spill of petrol, so you should not enter the area, and if you are in it, you should leave the area. Do not enter the area until firefighters and emergency services have confirmed that the area is safe. That's all I know for now, and that's the Daily Danger Report.